Okay, so what you're gonna notice first off about my collection, the different patterns, they're all from different types of snakes. Also the different methods of drying, because the way I get parts of my collection or all of my collection, they are something I've either found from roadkill or has naturally died. Somebody has found for me. I don't endorse killing or hunting down these animals. So these are just things that I have found. So due to different circumstances, some of the hides have different damage. Like this one was run over. This is a king snake. It was run over by a car multiple times before I could get it out of the road. So I was unable to keep this in one piece. Had to take its head, took its tail, just due to the extreme damage. Where this is a gopher snake and I tried something different, its damage was all underneath, so I was able to keep the snake in its entirety, but I probably dried it out just a little too much. So it's just a different way